So this is Aida, and this is the Fort Ord Park. There is definitely a lot of things to see that is important to the ecosystem, especially the sea otters. We cannot see sea otters right now, but there's definitely a long waves and a lot of wind. So a little bit about sea otters is that they are the only marine mammals without a layer of blubber to keep them warm. They rely on their thick fur coat, and also sea otters consume about 11 kilograms, which is like 25 pounds of food daily, which is a quarter of their body weight. They are known as a keystone species because the ecosystem depends on them. If the population of sea otter decreases, the ecosystem will undergo significant changes. Sea otters are the only predators of sea urchins. So if the sea otter population decreases, the sea urchins population increases. This is a issue because sea urchins consume the kelp forest. As you can see right there, there's definitely a lot of kelp because the sea urchins eat them and they die, the kelp dies. And the kelp forests are important because they create a suitable habitat for a variety of species by modifying the environment. A healthy kelp forest can allow the sea otter's population to grow feet in a month. And also, if there's no kelp forest in the ocean, it looks empty. So like you can see like the difference between like having a kelp in the ocean and not having a kelp in the ocean. So sea otters are very important in the ecosystem. Between 1741 and 1911, sea otters were hunted for a dense fur coat, causing the population to decrease from hundreds of thousands. Humans' action affect the sea otters population because the sea urchins increases and eats the kelp. So we could see that sea otters consume sea urchins to protect the ecosystem, and also because it's their like favorite food to eat. So, and also part of the Fort Ord Park, we could see a lot of plants and a lot of seals, the ocean, kelp. So the sun, like kind of like a food web, so we can see the sun right there. The sun is the primary source of energy, which is used to produce like seaweed and kelp. The consumer in the ecosystem are sea urchins, which feed on the kelp forest, making the primary consumers. So bacteria, we cannot see right now bacteria because it's like all the way like deep in the ocean, are the primary decomposer in the ecosystem, and they are capable of surviving in extreme conditions. Predators in the food web include shark, orcas, and giant squid. They are not right here. It's a safety case. So commensalism, the sea otters and the kelp forest have the commensalism relationship. The sea otters uses the kelp when they sleep to wrap themselves so they don't float while they are asleep. In parallelism, sea lice, I cannot show you sea lice because it's also under like deep in the ocean. So sea lice are a common problem in the fishing industry because sea lice infest the fish. And metabolism, sea otters eat sea urchins. Like I said, it's their favorite food. If the population of sea urchins increases, which makes the kelp like die, the sea otters help the kelp by eating the sea urchins. and sea otters helps the kelp. So both species are being benefit from that interaction. So to take a closer look in the kelp, you can see there's a lot of kelp right there. So this is my presentation here in the Fort Ord Park. Thank you.